This phone is really a mid-ranger killer with 15,000 rupees price range.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel Lifestyle Tech. My name is Suham. So today we have come up with one more unboxing of a new phone which is Realme 7. Yes, Salman Khan in the house. This phone has been recently launched and I thought that I will bring the unboxing and the first impression of this phone to all of my friends. So let's start.
So okay guys, before we start, do subscribe and like my channel. And now as you can see, I have the Realme 7 box in front of me. So Salman Khan is the brand ambassador of the phone and the packaging really looks good. So tell me guys, who all here are the fans of Salman Khan? They can comment below and tell me. So let's go ahead and open up the box and see what are the content inside the box. Realme has branded it as capture smoother and charge faster. So we have to go through it and see how does the phone performs, and for which I will be bringing in my full review in the next video. So in the back you can see there are 4 points highlighted, which is Sony 64 megapixel quad camera, Helio G95 gaming processor, 30 watts of dart charge with a 5000 mAh battery and 90 Hz of smooth display. I think the specs really looks good is what it has been mentioned here, and we need to check how does it actually performs. But I'm really excited. I think this could be a mid-ranger mid-ranger killer probably. You can see that in the market within this range of 15,000 rupees there are a lot of phones, but the specs here which has been introduced by Realme, I think these are really pleasing to hear and in fact eye-catching, because with the 90 Hz refresh rate I think the phone should be really smooth. So as we go in we can see the contents inside. So we can see that there is a TUV relent certification, which is that basically this certification tells you that about the screen which emits the blue light and which helps you probably from the blue light which comes from the screen, and then you can see few other documentation and the screen cover, the silicone screen protector or the screen cover, whatever you tell it. And inside as you go in we can see the phone here. So we have ordered the mist blue color, and we will look at it, but before we look at it we will go inside and see what else are there inside the box. Now you can see the fast charging of 30 watts, which is the dart charging, and you can also see an USB type C cable which comes along in the box. But one surprise here in the box is that you cannot see any headphone or any headphone cable in the box or a jack in the box. So these are all the contents that you can see inside the box. So now let's go and see the phone. Alright, so let's unpack and see the phone inside. So as we see inside, you can see the horizontal strip, and the color looks really good and gorgeous, and it gives a very unique look. In fact, you can see that the phone can be divided into two parts with that horizontal strip. You can also see the 4 camera module in the back, and on the right hand side you can see the fingerprint sensor. Yes guys, so this phone has a side mounted fingerprint sensor in it. So talking about the ports and buttons, below it has the speaker grill with an USB type C and microphone with 3.5 jack. Left hand side is the volume rocker and the side SIM card tray, and top there is nothing. The weight is around 198 grams, but it really feels very compact. The back feels like glass, but I don't think it's a glass. It feels like glass, but it gives a very premium look in fact. So as the phone powers up, let's talk about the screen. So it is a very bright display as you can see here, and it comes with a 6.5-inch IPS LCD display, and it has got a 90 Hz fast refresh rates. Also it has got 480 nits of brightness, which is good. Overall the display is really nice. Talking about the bezel, top and side bezels are slim, but below there is a bit of chin. Screen to body ratio is also good, which is 90.5%, and also friends, it comes with Gorilla Glass 3 protection, which is also available on this phone. It comes with Realme UI, which is based on the Android 10. So let's talk about the specification. Now this phone comes with Helio G95 processor and is available in two variants. The first one is 6GB and 64GB and the second is 8GB and 128GB. Performance wise, it has got UFS 2.0 with LPDDR4X RAM. Gaming, we have tried and I have seen that gaming performance is really good and there is no frame drop in high graphic settings. In fact, gaming is smooth and I think the 90Hz refresh rate really helps the gaming to be much smoother. Regular usage is a cakewalk with no issue in this phone. And in fact guys, the Antutu score which comes to 3 lakh within this price range is a really deal breaker, I would say that. Now talking about the battery, this phone is big on battery with 5000 mAh and with 30 watts of fast charging. I think you can survive the entire day with full lot of usage that you can do in this phone. So battery is really perfect. So the final point is the camera. Now the highlight of the phone is the 64 megapixel quad camera which comes with a Sony sensor which is really good and the images comes really sharp. The second is the 8 megapixel wide angle camera and the third is the 2 megapixel black and white sensor. The fourth is a 2 megapixel macro lens. The front comes with a 16 megapixel primary camera and it also supports video support up to 4K. Also in my next video I will try to bring out few of the photo samples and video samples which I will take it from this camera so that you guys can see and look and decide the camera quality. So guys, my final verdict of this phone would be that this phone is really a mid-ranger killer with 15,000 rupees price range with 90Hz of display with 64 megapixel Sony sensor, and the performance that it gets in this price range is really exceptional. I think if you guys gonna spend 15,000 rupees, you will get a great deal out of it.
So guys, I hope you have liked my video. So please do like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel and do let me know what are the contents that you would like me to bring in, and so that I can bring those contents to you. So see you in the next one. Thank you.